Hello, students. Good morning. I introduced the trigonometry, and I have explained the trigonometric ratios like sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, and cot theta. I hope all of you remember this. I was given a simple rule for this also, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol. This is the value of sin theta. Once I am only revising. Next is the for cos theta. ये देखो cos के लिए है, and this is for tan. ये हुआ. This is sin theta. That is for cos theta, and this is for tan theta. And if reciprocal कर दें तो ये किसके लिए हो जाएगा? for cosec के लिए हो जाएगा हरि प्रसाद. h upon p hypotenuse upon sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta base upon hypotenuse, tan theta perpendicular by base, and cosec theta. What is cosec theta? Cosec theta h upon p hypotenuse upon perpendicular is reciprocal sec theta, that is hypotenuse upon base, and its reciprocal is cot theta base upon perpendicular. So that's why I was given a simple word to remember, Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol. So using this you can get the values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and also cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Okay, so today I will explain the questions from the exercise 8.1, and you need to solve the questions from this exercise 8.1. So I will first question, if you look, I will explain some part of the question number 1. And students, you need to solve the examples also. You need to try the examples, and if you are having any problem, you can ask to me. Question number 1, in triangle ABC, right angle at B. So this is given a right angle triangle at B. So make a right angle triangle at B. Already I have explained this type of question. Okay, this is a right angle triangle at B. This is the right angle triangle at B. Here is the right angle. AB is given equal to 24. ये देखो AB 24 given है, and BC is given 7 centimeter. BC is given 7 centimeter. Determine the value of sin A cos A. अभी देखो sin A cos A. Whenever you will find out the value, you need require their AC. AC सबसे पहले हम AC find out करेंगे by using PGT. तो यहाँ since triangle ABC is right angle, means you can say in triangle ABC, or you can say in triangle ABC, what is angle B is given 90 degree. देखो angle B 90 degree है. So by PGT, which theorem can you apply? By using PGT, what can we get? Hypotenuse means AC square is equal to perpendicular square plus BC square, or you can say sum of the square of other two sides. So AC find out करोगे. AB, what is given AB? AB is given 24 square, BC is given 7 square. अभी देखो 24 square 576, 7 square 49. ऐड करो क्या मिला? 625. Therefore AC is equal to square root of 625. So देखो प्लस माइनस होता है, बट यहाँ ओनली प्लस लेना है बिकॉज ये लेंथ है. सो वी गॉट 25 सेंटीमीटर. So we got the length of its third side. Hypotenuse का length find out हो गया. अभी हम first part it solve करते हैं. First part, one part, sin A find out करना है. We need to find out the value of sin A. So how can we find out the value of sin A? Look here. First, sin A. Sin A. सबसे पहले you need to remember the formula. क्या होता है? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. P by H. अभी हमने explain किया. Sin theta is equal to P by H. तो A means A angle के लिए लेना है. And I have explained the taken angle, its opposite side is called perpendicular. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is becomes BC, and the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is AC. And what is BC? BC is 7 and AC is 25. What is the value of sin A? 7 upon 25. Next we need to find out the value of cos A. In same part we need to find out the value of cos A. What is cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse. Look at what is base. The side allied to this given angle is called base. ये देखो base कौन सा साइड हुआ? AB. तो क्या होना चाहिए? AB. और hypotenuse तो फिक्स है, opposite to right angle, that is AC. AB upon AC means 24 upon 25. And in second part, if you look here, so we need to find out the value of sin C cos C. अगर हम साइन सी फाइंड आउट करें, देखो साइन सी फार्मूला सेम होगा, परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेनस, बट व्हाट इज चेंज? चेंज क्या होने वाला है? बिकॉज एंगल इज नाउ चेंज। देखो एंगल यहाँ हो गया, सी पे हो गया, इसके अपोजिट में जो साइड हुआ, विच साइड इज अपोजिट? दिस AB। तो नाउ AB इज बिकम्स परपेंडिकुलर, तो विच साइड इज परपेंडिकुलर? AB। एंड व्हाट इज हाइपोटेनस? हाइपोटेनस सेम, 90 के अपोजिट में जो साइड है AC। सो क्या मिला? 24/25। सो लुक हियर, ड्यू टू चेंजिंग ऑफ द एंगल cos A इक्वल टू sin C फाइंड आउट हो गया, ये बोथ सेम हुआ। सिमिलरली cos C, what is cos? Base upon hypotenuse. And what is base? Base means the side allied, the side allied to the given angle। अभी इस एंगल के allied में ये साइड हुआ, except the hypotenuse, hypotenuse को छोड़कर ये साइड हुआ, इस साइड BC। तो क्या मिला? BC upon AC। अभी BC क्या है? What is BC? BC is 7 and this is 25। So we got 7/25, correct ना? So this is 7/25। So this one is the question number 1। Now it is given in figure 8.13. You need to find out the value of tan P and cot R. I hope you can solve it. So you need to try this question same as you can solve that question. So find out the value of tan P, then cot P, and then find out its difference. So I will explain question number 3. Question number 3. In question number 3, what is given? Look, this question, something different is there. If sin A is given equal to 3/4, look it. Sin A is given equal to 3/4, then calculate the value of cos A tan A. Sin A is given 3/4. Sin A, its value, sin A is given 3/4, and we need to find out the value of given. Okay, so if you make a triangle, अगर हम ट्रायंगल कोई फॉर्म करते हैं, this type, I have taken a triangle, right angle triangle हमने फॉर्म कर लिया, this is the right angle triangle। I have taken suppose angle A, तो ये हमारा एंगल है जिसके लिए सॉल्व करना है। Suppose I have taken a triangle ABC, right angle, sorry, ABC, which is right angle at B। I have taken this triangle, right angle at B। तो देखो ये B पे right angle हुआ, यहाँ C हो गया। And what is given? Sin A। Since sin A is given 3/4, you know sin A, what is sin A? Sin A is equal to होता है perpendicular by hypotenuse। And what is perpendicular? Perpendicular for A, perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC। So BC upon AC। And what is sin A? Sin A is 3/4 and perpendicular is BC। Okay, so BC upon AC। But dear students, so many times you are doing the mistake here. Its meaning is not that BC is 3 and AC is 4. Its meaning is that the ratio of BC and AC is 3/4. So therefore, what can be taken? BC. Its meaning is that BC is a multiple of 3. Therefore, BC can be taken 3. Multiple of 3, that can be taken 3K, and AC can be taken 4K. Right now, 3/4 means it can be taken 3. What can be taken? It can be taken BC is 3K and AC can be taken 4K. So at the place of AC I can write 4K and at the place of BC I can write 3K. So now we need to find out the AB. To find out any other value, we require this AB side. तो अभी हम AB side find out करेंगे by using PGT। अभी ये जो triangle है, since it is right angle at B, since triangle ABC right angle at B, ये देखो right angle at B है, ये साइड हाइपोटेनस हुआ। सो बाय देयरफॉर बाय PGT व्हाट वी कैन राइट? AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर, करेक्ट ना? सो लुक, पुट हियर द वैल्यू। AC is given how much? 4K स्क्वायर is equal to AB। AB is not given, AB square plus BC and BC is 3K, BC is 3K, तो 3K square। अभी इसको सॉल्व करेंगे। सो वी गेट 4K स्क्वायर इज 16K स्क्वायर माइनस, इसको स्क्वायरिंग करते हैं, 9K स्क्वायर ट्रांसपोज टू द अदर साइड, सो वी गॉट 9K स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर, करेक्ट ना? सो देयरफॉर 9K स्क्वायर माइनस 16K स्क्वायर माइनस 9K स्क्वायर इज 7K स्क्वायर, करेक्ट ना? वी गॉट 7K स्क्वायर। अभी देखो ये हो गया 7K स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर। देयरफॉर AB इज इक्वल टू, कैन यू टेल व्हाट इज AB? AB इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 7K स्क्वायर। बट यू नो ये साइड है इसलिए पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव नहीं लेना है, यहाँ सिर्फ पॉजिटिव लेना है, रूट 7K। सो दैट वी गॉट रूट 7K। अभी देखो AB हमको फाइंड आउट हो गया रूट 7K, करेक्ट ना? So we got 7k. Okay, now we'll find out the value. अभी value find out करना है. Which value is required? We want to find out the value of cos A. अभी cos A हम find out करते हैं. Cos A. What is cos A? Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. What is base? A के लिए base क्या होगा? AB. Right side that is AB upon hypotenuse is AC. What is AB? AB अभी find out किए. √7k divided by AC. AC is 4k. √7k upon 4k. करेक्ट ना? √7k upon 4k. और यहाँ से k कैंसिल होगा. So therefore we can get cos A is equal to, तो cos A is equal to k कैंसिल करेंगे, क्या फाइंड हुआ? √7/4. This is the value of cos k. Sorry, cos A. So cos A is equal to √7/4. Similarly we need to find out tan A also. यहाँ देखो हमको tan A चाहिए. And what is tan A? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? Which side is perpendicular? Perpendicular is BC, opposite side. A के opposite में side देखो कौन सा side है? BC. तो क्या होना चाहिए? BC और base क्या हुआ? Base next remaining side B, AB. So what is BC? BC is 3k. And what is AB? AB is √7k. So k cancel होगा. What is the answer? 3/√7. If you want, you can rationalize it. Otherwise, same as. So that we got 3/√7. So mostly you need to give the answer in rationalized form. So rationalize it. You can rationalize √7/√7 करेंगे. तो ये हुआ 3√7/7. So you can write this also. 3√7/7. This is the value of tan A. I hope you understood. 3√7/7. That is the value of. Okay. This is question number 3rd I have explained. Next question number 4th is same as, so I will explain the 5th question. Question number 5th. Question number 5. What is question number 5th is given? Question number 5th is given sec theta is equal to, given sec theta is equal to 13/12. देखो sec theta is equal to 13/12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So we need to find out the all other trigonometric ratios. So once again we need to take the right angle triangle, because I have explained it is in right angle triangle और acute angle के लिए हमको डिस्कस करना है. So any triangle हमने फॉर्म किया PQR. Suppose for this triangle I have taken, anywhere take the angle theta. Suppose for इस R को हमने theta angle suppose कर लिया. So for that अभी sec theta, you know sec theta is equal to, what is sec theta? You know sec theta is equal to what is hypotenuse upon base. और देखो ये एंगल 90 है, so this side is hypotenuse PR. And okay, so now we'll put sec theta is given 13/12. अभी वो what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is PR और थीटा देखो यहाँ पे है, तो बेस क्या हुआ? QR. So PR/QR. Its meaning is that 13/12 is equal to PR/QR. PR/QR. So there you did not seen that because I have changed that setting. So look once again here, I have made the triangle PQR and then sec theta is equal to 13/12 I have taken, and sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. So what is hypotenuse? The side opposite to 90 degree, that is PR, and base क्या हुआ? Allied angle. इस angle के allied में जो side हुआ, that QR is base. 13/12 is equal to PR/QR. Its meaning what? Can you take PR 13? No, PR is the multiple of 13. So what can we write? Means you write PR is equal to 13 time of any constant. कोई भी constant हम take कर सकते हैं. 13k ले लें या whatever you want, you can take it. 13a ले सकते हैं. 12k. Correct, that is. Then use the PGT to find out remaining side. PR is that side 13k. देखो ये 13k हुआ, and QR is 12k. We got it. Third side हमको find out करना by using PGT. So here we apply the PGT. So angle Q is 90. So by PGT, by Pythagoras theorem, what we get? PR square is equal to PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Correct na? PQ square plus QR square. What is PR? PR is 13k square plus is equal to 13k square is equal to pq square, that is not given, pq square plus qr square. What is qr? Qr is 12k, so 12k square. So that is 13k square, 169k square minus its square, 144k square is equal to pq square, is equal to pq square. Correct na? Okay. 169k square minus 144k square. Can you guess what? 25 मिलेगा ना? 25k square is equal to pq square. अभी देखो, therefore pq is equal to square root of 25k square. So it is equal to 5 times of k. Correct ना? So we got the third side. pq कितना मिला? 5 times of k. 5 times of k. We got the third side, that is pq. Okay. So now we'll find out the values. Value. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. We need to find out the values of all other trigonometric ratios. जितने भी trigonometric ratios हैं उनकी values find out करने. We need to find out the values of all other trigonometric ratios. So first ratio I will take first sin theta. अभी देखो sin theta is equal to what I explained, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right ना? And what is perpendicular for theta? अभी देखो theta के लिए perpendicular कौन सा side हुआ? PQ हुआ, right ना? Opposite side is called perpendicular. So that is PQ. Upon hypotenuse is PR. PQ upon PR. And what is PQ? PQ is given. What is PQ? This I will rough it because we got it. So I will write here that side 5K. What is PQ? PQ is 5K. And what is PR? PR is 13K. 5K upon 13k. k कैंसिल करो, आंसर हुआ 5/13. अभी देखो, तो we got sin theta. Okay, next cos theta. What is cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse. What is base? Base is QR upon hypotenuse is PR. What is QR? QR is 12k and hypotenuse is 13k. So देखो k कैंसिल हुआ, 12/13. Correct ना? Next one is the tan theta. Next one is tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is PQ. And what is base? Base is QR. अभी देखो perpendicular is 5k and base is 12k. So 5/12. Correct ना? After that, you can find out cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Otherwise, you can find out in this way also, because I have explained this one thing. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. इस मेथड से भी हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. This is called identity. What is cosec theta? I have explained. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. So that is 1 upon sin theta is 5 upon 13. So that is equal to 13 upon 5. Correct ना? So cosec theta is equal to 13 upon 5. Next is sec theta is already given, so no need to find. Next is cot theta. And you know cot theta. Cot theta किसका reciprocal है? Tan का. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So 1 upon tan theta. What is tan? Tan is 5 upon 12. देखो ये find out हुआ 12 upon 5 ना. So in this way we got all the values of all trigonometric ratios in question number 5th. So we got the in question number 5th all trigonometric ratios. Okay. Okay. Next question number 6 is given. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Actually students, this question is based on two property. एक तो सेम ट्रायंगल के लिए हम लोग ले लें तो वेरी मच सिंपल होगा. And if I will take the different triangle, so there are the something use of the similarity also. Okay, so firstly today I will explain only for the same triangle. Next day I will explain for the different triangle. You will try for the different triangle because there is the use of some similarity, similar triangles का use करना होगा. Similarity of two triangles. Okay, so this one question number 6. If I will discuss for the same triangle, अगर ये same triangle के लिए हम discuss करें for same triangle, so this is what is given in triangle angle A and there is angle B, और suppose करो ये angle C पे हमने right angle take कर लिया. What is given here? Acute angles, angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B. What is given? Cos A is equal to cos B. अभी यहाँ पे हमको बताया गया cos A is equal to cos B. So I will write in this angle A and angle B are acute angle and it is given cos A is equal to cos B. Okay. So firstly we will find out the value of cos A. व्हाट इज cos a, कैन यू टेल? ये cos इक्वल टू होता है बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनस, और a के लिए बेस क्या हुआ AC, तो क्या मिला AC, और हाइपोटेनस क्या हुआ AB, AC अपॉन AB, and then cos B, we'll find out the value of cos B. What is cos B? What is cos B? Cos B, and what is cos B? Cos B के अपोजिट में देखो एंगल B से अलाइड साइड कौन सा हुआ, ये भी हुआ बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनस, और बेस क्या हुआ B के लिए बेस हो गया BC, so that is BC upon hypotenuse is AB. What is given? Since given cos A is equal to cos B, since it is given cos A is equal to cos B, तो यहाँ नोट करो, since cos A is equal to cos B. Okay, what is the value of cos A? Cos A is AC upon AB, and cos B is BC upon AB. करेक्ट ना? Look here, ये है। अभी देखो AB कैंसिल अगर हम करते हैं, AB कैंसिल, so what we got? AC is equal to BC. So we got AC side is equal to side BC. ये AC और BC इक्वल हो गया, and if AC side is equal to BC side, so by isosceles triangle property, by isosceles triangle property, what can we get? Its opposite angle must be same. So opposite angle, AC का opposite में क्या हुआ B, and BC का opposite angle A. So therefore this implies angle A must be equal to angle B. So but students, I have explained this for the one triangle. In next class I will explain for the two triangle also. So try that one by yourself, because there are the use of similarity. So I need to explain something about the similarity, then only you will understood. That's why I am not going to explain today. Okay. So at the place of that, next question I will explain question number 7. Okay. Question number 7. Question number 7 is given, if cot theta is equal to given 7 upon 8. Look here, cot theta is given 7 by 8. Then we need to find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Cot theta given है. Okay. So and we need to find out the value of this required things. Okay. So for that, first of all, we need to take a triangle. अभी देखो triangle take करेंगे हम. Triangle take करना है, हमने triangle take किया. ये triangle हमने ले लिया. Suppose करो I have taken theta here. यहाँ पे हमने theta नोट कर लिया. A B से I have taken a right angle triangle at B, and A पे हमने theta suppose कर लिया. Correct? There is the theta. And what is cot theta? Now think about the cot theta. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. अभी देखो base. What is base? थीटा के लिए बेस हुआ AB और परपेंडिकुलर क्या हुआ BC. करेक्ट ना? So cot theta is given 7 upon 8 is equal to AB upon BC. अभी देखो what is AB? Its meaning is that AB is the multiple of 7, can be taken 7k, and BC is the multiple of 8, it can be taken 8k. Correct ना? Okay. Now look, find out. We need to find out. देखो AB find out हुआ 7k और ये BC हुआ 8k. हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? AC. तो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? बाय यूजिंग PGT. सो बाय यूजिंग PGT, AC स्क्वायर मस्ट बी इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. ओके, व्हाट इज AB? AB is 7k square. What is BC? BC is 8k square, and 7k square AC square is equal to 7k square is 49k square प्लस 8 is 64k square. ऐड करेंगे बोथ को तो ये हुआ 113k square. राइट ना? सो देयरफॉर AC is equal to what we got? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 113k square. बट ये देखो it is not a perfect square number, so we can write this way only. ये फाइंड आउट हुआ रूट ओवर 113k, that is AC. So what is required? Sin theta and cos theta required. हम find out करते हैं value of sin theta. Find out the value of sin theta. What is sin theta? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Theta के लिए perpendicular क्या होगा? BC upon hypotenuse AC. करेक्ट ना? BC is 8k और hypotenuse क्या हुआ? रूट 113k. कट कर लें तो क्या मिला? 8 upon रूट 113. एक बार कैलकुलेशन चेक कर लेना. If anywhere not wrong. 7 square 49 and this is 13. Okay, correct. Next one is the cos theta. cos theta. What is cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse. What is base? Base is AB, correct na? AB is base upon hypotenuse AC. What is AB? AB is 7K. And what is hypotenuse? Root of 113K. K cancel करो क्या मिलेगा? 7 upon root 113. And okay, so we need to find out the value. अभी देखो value हमको किसका चाहिए? I will write here. We need to find out the value of. इसकी value हमको find out करना है. We want to evaluate the value of 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And what is 1 a plus b into a minus b? That can be written 1 minus sin. अभी देखो sin theta into sin theta. So these things we need to explain. Sin theta when multiplied by sin theta, so its answer is sin theta the whole square. And sin theta the whole square is also called sin square theta. तो चलो next में हम समझेंगे इसको. Today I have written only sin theta the whole square. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, that can be written 1 minus cos theta the whole square. Okay. So we put the value of that. ना sin theta ये क्या है? 8 आया था ना? 8 upon okay 8 and this. So put the value. So 1 minus इसका स्क्वायर होगा sin theta का. तो देखो sin तो क्या हुआ? 8 upon root 113 its whole square divided by 1 minus 7 upon root 113 the whole square. So that is 1 minus 64 upon 113, correct ना? Upon 1 minus 7 upon 113, correct? LCM take करो क्या होगा? 113 minus 64 upon 113 divided by 1 sorry 7 का स्क्वायर क्या हुआ? 49. तो यहाँ होना चाहिए 49 upon 113. देखो यहाँ हुआ 113 minus 49 upon 113. अब देखो ये 113 है ना? This 113 can be cancelled by 113. ये 113 और ये 113 हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Cancel. So if I will cancel that 113 and 113, तो what we will get? तो find out क्या हुआ? 113 minus 64. 113 से 64 minus करो, how much you will get? 49. Divided by ये minus करो क्या होगा? 64. 49 upon 64. So this is the value of that. 49 upon 64. Next second part of this question, we need to find out the value of cot square theta. Dear student, अभी ये जो cot square theta होता है, this is called cot theta the whole square. इसी को हम बोलते हैं cot theta का whole square. Means sin theta the whole square is called sin square theta. Okay, it is written as sin square theta. And what is cot theta? Its value is already given 7 upon 8. तो यहाँ रख सकते हैं 7 upon 8 the whole square. What is 7 square? 49 upon 64. We got it ना? देखो ये वैल्यू और ये वैल्यू सेम आ रहा है. Its meaning is that ये जो cot square theta है, this is also equal to 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. After that, we'll see that how can we understood this some more. So okay. So students, I have explained today till question number 7. You need to try the other questions also. So much simple questions are given till 11. So I hope all of you must try the exercise 8.1 and complete it also. And you need to try the examples also. You need to solve the examples are given. And sixth question, one more method for the question number 6 I will explain. And if any other question or doubt, you can ask to me. I will explain. Okay. Thank you. So solve the exercise 8.1.